boys and girls, it's circle time. Are you ready? Let's go. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. What shall we do today? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. What shall we do today? Today is Tuesday. Woo! Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Are you ready to say the months of the year? Let's go. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and we are in the month of April. Can you spell the word April? Let's go. A-P-R-I-L. April is a song about colors. We see them all around. This is a song about colors. Colors, we see them all around. Can you name the colors? Let's go. Let's do the number rumba, eh. Let's do the number rumba, yeah. Let's do the number rumba, yeah. Number rumba all day long. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's alphabet time. Do you want to sing the alphabet song? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? I know it, I know it, I know my ABCs. I know it, I know it. It's easy as can be.